What's going on, guys? It's Dan from Beamer Bros. Behind me I got the gorgeous BMW G20 M340i. So we're gonna do a little install video for you guys here. So far what we got for this car is we got the black diamond grille, we got the black bumper trim, and we're gonna go ahead and I kind of wanted to continue the look for the blacked out aggressive look, so that's why I ordered this diffuser. So with that, let's go ahead and kick off the install. So yeah, as you guys just saw, the diffuser came in 3 pieces in the box. So I basically took it out the box. There was 4 screws, so there's 2 and 2 right in the middle. And they basically go up in these side pieces. And there's 2 screws that were provided. You basically pull those up through, and then this whole thing becomes 1 piece. So it goes from 3 pieces to 1 pieces, and this is what we're left with. So basically the process we're gonna be going with today is a combination of double-sided tape and some self-tapping screws. So I got 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and then 2 in the middle, and then I'm gonna put double-sided tape just in the middle piece here. But before we do that, make sure you want to wash off kind of the bottom of the bumper with some rubbing alcohol. Usually 50% works. Just get the contaminants off, make sure you get that extra grip, that good bond with the diffuser. You don't want it flying off, that'd be bad. So yeah, with that, let's go ahead and wipe off the bottom of the bumper. So as you just saw, we put the double-sided tape in the middle here, and let's go ahead and drill this bad boy in now. Dude, the thing is, like, I'm not sure how to... The biggest struggle is trying to get the drill in there right now. You're the car wrap, bro.
Front camera.
Hey, where are we going right now?
We're gonna go to AutoZone to get some ramps because it's surprisingly it's hard enough to put the diffuser on when the car is so low to the ground. Who would have thought?
Next stop, AutoZone. So as you can see, we had to make a little pit stop and get some car ramps. I was struggling under there with the drill machine. There was no way in hell that I was going to be able to fit it under there and get the screws and stuff. So either this or a jack will definitely help you out, whatever you got. But definitely going to need to lift up your car somehow to be able to do this the right way. So let's continue. I just started out with the ends, and now I'm just going to work my way, double up 1 and 1, and then take care of the middle. And so yeah, it's about as easy as that. Alright, so now we're taking off the double-sided tape and just applying pressure to where it is, just to get the center nice and in there. So as you can see, the fitment's coming along pretty nice right now. So only got 2 screws in there and 2 screws on the side, and now we're going to go ahead and put 2 screws in the middle, and then finish it off with 1 more screw on each side. We should be all set after that. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I think it turned out pretty damn good. The only thing that I would recommend is make sure you guys have car ramps or a jack laying around. I made that mistake of thinking I could do without it. One from my mistakes. Have something to lift up your car and just make sure you have your drill machine, drill in your screws, and you'll be golden. So if you guys like seeing G20 content like this, make sure to drop this video a like and drop the Beamer Bros a subscribe. We got a lot of content planned for this car as well as the F10 parked up over there. So yeah, lots of big plans, thinking about doing exhaust, maybe rims, some carbon fiber bits and bobs with the car. So be sure to comment what you want to see. I'm all ears. And take care, guys. Thanks for watching.